So let's talk about Amazon Rekognition. It is a image and video analysis service provided by AWS. So what does this mean? Is it's simply a service which handles this images and video. So all you have to do is you can upload an image or a video, and it will tell you about the image or the video. Tell means like it will detect like which all objects are present in there and if any text is present in there, right? So those all details it will provide you. So let's see this. So here we have our Amazon Recognition, and the most basic feature of it is the label detection. So you upload an image and it will give you the labels of whatever it can see in the image. There are a lot of things it can see, like there is a person, there is a building, there are multiple cars in there, there is a skateboard, right? And then there are like shoes, I think maybe it can detect. Yeah, there are shoes, there are wheels, there are trees. I think it somehow didn't detect it. The trees, yeah. So whatever it can understand from the image, it will detect it and it will give you all the labels in here. Okay. These labels it will give with a confidence score here as well. So the confidence score is like how much confident it is like this is a person. So if you can see here for the person, the score is like this. So mostly the score would be good unless there is something which it cannot detect properly, like for the license plate at 55%. So you can see the license plate are a little bit blurred off, right? So it will give you the confidence score. And normally a 90 plus confidence score is a good one. Okay. So label detection is there and it can detect text as well. So for the text, I think you can have this one example. Okay, so it will detect what all text it is there in the image. And it supports bulk analysis as well. So you can have multiple files uploaded to, let's say, Amazon S3 bucket. S3 is your uh, Amazon service for storing files. So you can upload your files in there, image or video files, and you can run a job which will do the recognition and generate the output. Next, it can do moderate uh, unsafe contents. So if it finds anything not okay with your image or video, it can blur it out as well. Another feature is face analysis. So it can detect the age, gender, expression, and other things from there. So let's see it. Here is a sample. So it says like if it's look like a face, it will give you a confidence score, right? Then it appears to be a female and what age range it can understand from it, what is the expression, right? It appears to be happy, this wearing glasses, eyes are open, mouth is open. It can detect a lot of things from your face. So that's the face analysis it has. Other than that, it has a face comparison. Face comparison is something which we use for face recognition. We have face recognition logs at a lot of places, right? So for face recognition, in here, if you see, there is a one-to-one face recognition. It will try to match these two, this person and this person, and it says with a confidence score 99.9%. It is confident like both are the same person, right? But if you use the API of Amazon Recognition, there you will have a one to n mapping also. Like you can upload like 100 of photos in your let's say S3 bucket, and then you will provide it with one photo or let's say one stream of a person, and it will detect if it belongs to any one of them. So that is used for uh, developing face recognition uh, for your application. Even it has this liveness detection. When you are using the API, it can detect if the face is actually a person or if it's just a photo based on the liveness. Means the face is moving or if the eyes are closing, opening, right? It can detect if it's a live person or if it's a photo. Then there is a celebrity detection. So it has its own database of celebrity. And if you upload a face, it can detect if it's a celebrity or not. So here again, you can see it can find who it is. If it's a famous person, it would be able to find it. So these all the samples we have seen for the images. Similarly, we can see a video example. So if you see this video, there are two persons in this video and a lot of things in there, right? Like a sofa set is there, this cloth is there, this watch is there. So everything it will detect. You can see all the labels in here, right? Clothing, crowd, code, people, everything. And other than that, since these two are famous celebrities, it can detect who they are. If you just click on this, I think it will say somewhere. Yeah, it will know who it is. Okay. And there are what all objects it finds in here. So everything it will find. Even it can moderate if anything is there, which unsafe thing is there. Okay. So yeah, that's all about Amazon Recognition.